Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can finish the winter quest on Dress to Impress. This is the full tutorial on all the chapters. I'm not going to do the obby though because it will take me forever to do, so just get your friend that's good at doing the obby. I don't really have good tips for you as well, so let's just start with the first chapter. So this needs a doll and a bike. This one needs a train. This one needs a dinosaur. That one needs a doll. I'm just trying to do one that's pretty easy because... Oops, wrong one. Okay, that's fine. Let's do this one. And that. It's actually a little bit easier when you have less people because it's less chaotic. Like that. And we'll need one more here. And I think that's enough, if I'm not mistaken. I'll just keep on adding stuff. Okay, so that's the first chapter. I'm just going to skip to the second chapter because I cannot do the obby. So I'm just going to go back to the lobby here. And I'm going to skip to chapter 2. Okay, so I'm just going to walk here to the winter town. I don't know like how long this is going to last, by the way. Let's go here. Sorry for the wait. I really can't do the obby, but like if you did not finish the obby, you cannot go to chapter 2, so make sure you do that. I've just done this a few times, that's why I can skip through the chapters. I'm just gonna skip the cutscene. My tip for this is just to go into the Christmas wreaths. Don't bump into the items. You'll just go faster if you go through here. So you're just going to go through that place to go faster. Just make sure you don't hit the items because it'll slow you down. It is a little bit annoying and sometimes I do that, so... Oh my god, I almost hit that present. Okay. There you go. Almost there. Okay. So if you want to go to the right area, you're just going to go to the sleigh on the very right. This takes so long, honestly. Like, waiting for others, there's only me. I think they should fix that. I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to skip that. And then, again, you're going to go to the third sleigh to reach the correct destination. It's gonna spawn again if you want more people, if there's like more people. But like even if one of you reach the correct destination and like you go to the door, people will spawn there anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna just wait. There we go. Open the door. And you'll be teleported, I think, into the third chapter. Yeah, like the boss fight is the third and last one. I'm just going to make this quick because I don't want it to take a long time. So just open the sealed door by pressing when it's like the green button to defrost it. It's quicker if, again, you have some friends helping you. And for the boss fight, I do recommend you playing with others because you can be saved. If you're alone, it's very hard to be saved. And you'll have to like redo it again. I'll just record like the boss fight and then stop from there because it's pretty much the same. Just don't hit the like area, like the red one and like the white one, and throw presents at Santa like this. Like make sure you don't get to the white area because where's the other present? Oh, there it is. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. And yeah, that is pretty much it, really. That's how you can finish the winter quest on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.